Hello everyone. Thanks for checking out this video. So this is going to be an unboxing of the Stadia Premier Edition. So I got this Stadia Premier Edition because I was a subscriber for YouTube Premium. I think you have to be a subscriber. You have to have been a YouTube subscriber for I think a little over 6 months. So you can't just subscribe to YouTube Premium like today and get a Stadia Premier Edition. Either way, they've actually giving them all out. So there's no way to get this edition through your premium membership. But having said that, this is just a simple unboxing of the Stadia Premier Edition. See, it has the Stadia controller and I think that's a Chromecast Ultra. Check it out. So the specs is there's the Wi-Fi dual band 2.4 gigahertz went up to 5 gigahertz connectivity. To Bluetooth 4.2. There's a headphone jack. It takes USB-C. I think the controller is USB-C, but let's just check it out. Let's see. You can see this is one place for all the way we play. I actually have a PS5, so I'm not sure how much I'll use this, but I guess I'll give it a try. So there's the controller. It's all white, as you can see. This is the first. Oh, it's heavy. It kind of feels like the PS5 controller, but a little thinner, which is nice. See, there's the headphone jack. That's the USB-C port. Just set this inside. We'll see what's in the box. And so it comes with the USB-C to USB-A connector, power adapter, and the literature. I'll open the literature later. This is the Chromecast Ultra. Not to be mistaken with the new Google TV Chromecast. And there's power brick for the Chromecast. I guess I'll give this a review later on and upload the videos of what I think about the Stadia. I know it's a little convoluted pricing scheme, but I mean, if you want to get into gaming and you don't want to if you're just a casual gaming, I think the Stadia Pro Edition would be great for you. We'll check it out. We'll give it a review, see how it goes. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. Stay safe, everyone.